Well, good morning. How are you? It is lovely to see you, even though I can't see you, but you know what I mean. I am just down at my favourite little stream, hanging out with my water dragon friends and my turtle friends. They're all so fucking scrumptious. They really are. And this one, there you are. Look at him. I've called him Rex. I don't know if he likes the name Rex. He's probably giving me the side eye right now. Oh, fuck. I don't know if it's a side eye. That's more like, stop calling me Rex, bitch. Okay. Well, what about Gavin? Do you prefer that? I don't know. I feel like he wants to fight me. Oh, God. No, I think Gavin. Yeah. Gavin seems to have made the lizard happy. I have been in bed for like the last week, sick. Or maybe even longer actually. It feels like forever. So I haven't been around much, but that doesn't mean I don't love you, and I don't think of you, and I don't want wonderful things for you, and just healing my body, my heart, my mind. What am I looking at there? My soul. All of the things. Fucking turtles, man. So cute. He's so cute. But nothing too exciting to talk to you about. I'm much the same. I'm just a sicker version. I'm just out trying to get my little nature walk in. Try and clear up what's on my chest, and can only do it when it's like early in the morning or late in the afternoon, because it's too fucking hot. We're just having this amazing heat wave, and it just doesn't end. It's not ending. And yeah, I don't know what to say. But I know on the other side of the world, you're all freezing your asses off. So, I don't know, can we swap? You can come and burn in the eternal flames of hell here, and I'll go and, be all cold and shit. I don't know, is it snowing somewhere over there? I want snow. I'll swap you burning pits of hell for me being able to go and make snow angels. That would be great. Thank you in advance. Alright, I just wanted to obviously pop in and, you know, show you my animal friends again. I know, you're gonna get sick of these guys, but I don't. They're a big part of my day. That's right, Gavin. That's right. Oh god, the sun's coming through. Ah! Fuck. Yeah. Alright, thank you everyone. Thank you. I appreciate you all. And I will see you again this afternoon. Okay? Bye, Gavin. You're a sexy beast. Sexy. Yeah. That's it. I just wanted to say I love you all, and wherever you are in the world, I hope that you're being loved and appreciated, that you are happy and healthy, and don't forget, you, sir or ma'am, have a great ass, and your tits are perky, and you have an amazing personality. Just remember that. Please drink lots of water. Alright. Bye. I love you. Thank you. Come again.